Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm excited to share a Walmart spring try-on haul. I found so many cute new arrivals, lots of pretty dresses, really soft, pretty colors, so many pretty things. So I'll have everything linked for you down in the description box below, and let's just jump right in. All right, first up is this mini dress, and this comes in 4 colors. There's a white, pink, and a black option as well, but I was so drawn to this gorgeous blue. It retails for only $26, which is such a great price for a dress because you're getting a top and a bottom for that price point. Has a beautiful shape to it. I like this higher kind of empire waist. So the seam is under the bust and it gives a really nice A-line shape. I also really like the length as well. It hits me mid-thigh and then has this little kind of pinched pleat detail on the sleeve, making it a 3/4. It also has a more narrow, rounded neckline, which I think is really flattering on me. I don't tend to go for really wide, round necklines just because I do have a little bit more broad shoulders. It does have pockets, and I think it's an unpopular opinion, but I'm not usually the biggest fan of pockets in dresses. They have to be done perfectly because they can add bulk at your hips. But these are actually higher up, so they're more so along the waistline and they do sit nice and flat. So these do pass the pocket test for me. I paired it here with my go-to comfortable white sneakers and a crossbody. This is something I would wear on the weekends for errands if I wanted to look a little more put together, or it would be a great little travel outfit as well. Has a little bit of a heavier weight. It almost feels like a sweatshirt type of material, but I do like that added thickness for the spring season. I wanted to reshare this dress. I think I featured this in a try-on, I think 2 Walmart hauls ago, but I just checked and it's still available and it's currently on sale for $14. So if you didn't pick it up back then, I mean, you cannot beat that price point. This is such a classic look. I love the stripes. The asymmetrical wrap adds a fun detail. You could wear it either knotted or in a bow, depending on your preference. It does button down in the front all the way, so it is nursing friendly, and it runs true to size. I am wearing a size small. So they just started mowing across the street, so hopefully that is not too loud and I can continue on. But next is this pink eyelet dress. This also comes in white as well, and this retails for $25. I am wearing my normal size small. It fits true to size. It has lots of volume on the bottom half. I will say the top runs a little bit tighter, so if you are larger chested, definitely size up. This dress is also lined, so I don't think the white would be see-through or anything. There's just a lot of material on the bottom half. And then I paired it with these tan sandals, and these are so comfortable. They have a little bit more of a padded type of look and memory foam cushion to them. They're true to size. I think they retail for $24. I would say if you're in between to size down, I can be an 8.5 or a 9. I got an 8.5 and I have plenty of room in these. All right, next is this darling floral top, and I actually shared this in the blue version, and I believe it was my last Walmart try-on haul if you want to see that. And I bought both of these at the same time, but I just shared one in that haul. So I wanted to show y'all the white version as well. These I think retail for $22. I know they're under $25. And they are one of my favorite spring finds from Walmart. They've been a bestseller as well. So they've been y'all's favorite too, which I'm not surprised because it is so beautiful. I feel like you could see this in a boutique for double the price. It is lined. I paired it here with these blue wide leg pants. These are so comfortable. I'm wearing my normal size 6 and then a white sandal. And this is such a cute spring look. I cannot wait to wear this once it warms up. All right, I'm glad that I tried this one for y'all because I have to mention it is so sheer, which is really unfortunate. So the top half has a double fabric, but that's just not apparent down here, and I hate when you can see like the sheerness of the legs underneath. So just FYI, if you buy this one, you will need a slip, or you could use it as a pool cover up. All right, next is this midi dress, and I thought this would be a great affordable Easter dress if you were on the market for one. Love the blue plaid. They do have other color options though. I am wearing a size small. It fits true to size, has a squared neckline, little flutter sleeves. It does have pockets as well, and it is lined, so it is not see-through. Really comfortable, soft kind of cotton material. All right, next is this blue midi dress, and this is such a gorgeous piece. I honestly knew that I would love this because it's the same print as the top that I shared earlier and in my last video. So this comes in the hydrangea print as well. This would be a really pretty, affordable Easter dress if you're still on the market. It's lined, true to size. I am wearing a size small. I paired it here with these little lace-up wedges, and I do believe that Walmart has a look for less version to these that I'll link down below. Also, it is a new day. That's why my hair is now curled. I think it was straight when I first started this video. All right, next is this white eyelet dress, and I am wearing a size small in this, and it has a really flattering shape to it. I wasn't sure if this wrap was going to work for me, but it actually sits really nicely. It is cut a little bit lower because it does have more of like a wrap style, but it actually fits really nicely and securely as well. I am wearing a size small. Has a little bit more sheerness in the sleeve, but the body is lined right here to this seam, so just a little bit, a couple inches above the knee. I also like that the puff sleeves have more length to them, so they go all the way to the elbow, which is nice. I do want to note the back of this dress does sit a little bit lower, so depending on where your band sits, it may or may not show back there, so you may have to wear it a little bit lower or do like a more strapless option or sticky boobs. So just an FYI there. I actually thought this dress was going to look horrible on me, like just on the hanger it just looks like it's going to look like a potato sack, but it actually has a really pretty A-line shape to it, so it is more narrow through the top and then kind of bells out, and I really like the scallop on the bottom. However, I think adding a belt to this is just going to elevate it and bring in my waistline so much more, so I'm going to do that. But I wanted to show you how the dress naturally falls. All right, here it is with a belt, and I love it so much more. It brings in my waistline and also shortens the length to my preference as well. So this is so adorable. I also love the little scallop detail on the sleeve as well. So this is just kind of like a stretchy material, so you could actually pull it off the shoulder if you'd like to, or it works kind of resting up on the shoulder as well. I'm wearing a size small. It's also lined. I ordered this dress for St. Patrick's Day, but it ended up being a gross rainy day, so I didn't end up wearing it. But if you're doing like a master's party or going to the masters, this would be so perfect for that. It's a really pretty green and blue plaid. It has such a beautiful fit. I'm wearing my normal size small, and I'm also wearing a regular bra with this as well, depending on how thick your straps are, and it does zip on the side. So here's a little beach look. I've had this swimsuit actually for 2 years now, but I just saw that it is available at Walmart, so thought it'd be fun to reshare it with y'all. I actually got it when I was pregnant. I'm wearing a medium, and it's such a flattering swimsuit. It has little scalloped trim details. You can see it right here on the waist. It's kind of mesh right here. It's hard to show black on camera, but just right through here, there's a little bit of mesh. It has great coverage, good support, comes with pads, and like I said, it's true to size. And then this is a little skirt that I wanted to use as a cover up. It very much reminds me of Love Shack Fancy with all the ruffles and kind of the pinstripe look. It is on the sheer side, so if you want to wear this as a skirt, I would recommend a slip skirt underneath, but it does make for a really great pull cover up. All right, next is this gorgeous top. I love this shade of blue. I am wearing an extra small. I'm assuming the small was sold out, so I'm not sure how sizes are looking at the moment, but Walmart does tend to restock, but the extra small is just too tight or too narrow for me. It's very like loose. Is on the thin side, so I feel like this is definitely more of a summer blouse. I'm wearing a nude bra underneath, and it's fine. Probably not one that I would wear to work personally. I paired it with some white jeans. I need to take a peek at the Walmart white jeans selection. I have found over the years 2 of my all-time favorite white jeans have come from Walmart. I didn't see any last I ordered, but I will be keeping my eyes on those. And then I paired it with those brown sandals. These are so good and comfortable. Can easily be dressed up or down. Next is this zip pullover, and I loved again this color. It does come in multiple shade options, and it just has such a classic kind of preppy style to it that I love. The sleeve is slightly cropped and flared. It's like perfect to kind of casually pull up on your arm like that. The zipper, I would say, is nursing friendly if you size up. I got a medium in this. Definitely glad that I did size up. Although sometimes with free assembly, it can run a little bit smaller, but I was wanting this to have more of a oversized casual fit, so wearing a medium, and it is on the lighter side, so it's not super thick and heavy, which is great as the weather warms up. If you love these Walmart fashion hauls, definitely check out this video I did recently. I checked and a lot of these pieces are still in stock, and a lot of them are on sale as well, so I'll link that video for you here. And then in the description box, I'll have all of these pieces linked, and I also will link some new arrival finds that caught my eye. And I will probably eventually order to review for you guys here. So stay tuned for more Walmart fashion videos and subscribe so you don't miss them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.